If you want to add shapes in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the shape tools, adjust the fill and stroke settings, and draw clean vector shapes on your canvas in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want to create icons, design buttons, build layouts, or add basic graphics to your project without needing any advanced skills. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look over to the toolbar on the far left side of the Photopea screen. Near the lower part of that toolbar, you'll find the rectangle tool icon. This is usually the main tool shown first, but if you click and hold on it or right-click it, a hidden menu will open with several different shape options. From here, you can choose the rectangle tool for standard boxes, the ellipse tool for circles and ovals, the line tool for straight lines, the parametric shape options for things like polygons, stars, and triangles, or the custom shape tool for pre-made vector graphics like arrows, hearts, and symbols. Choose the shape that fits your design. Once you've selected your shape tool, look up at the top of the screen, directly under the main menu bar, where you'll see the options bar. This is where you control how your shape will look before you draw it. The first thing to check is the mode. Make sure it says shape, not path or pixels. Shape mode is important because it creates a crisp, editable vector layer that you can resize later without losing quality. Next, set your fill color. The fill option controls the inside of your shape. You can click the color box to choose any color you want, or if you want the shape to be hollow, select the white box with the red diagonal line through it. That means no fill at all. After that, set your stroke. Stroke is the outline around the edge of your shape. Click the stroke color box and choose the outline color you want. Then, if you want to change how thick the border is, go to the stroke width field and type in a pixel value, like 5px. A bigger number means a thicker outline, while a smaller number gives you a thinner border. Now you're ready to draw. Move your cursor over the canvas, click and drag to create your shape, and watch it appear in real time. If you want a perfect square or a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key while dragging. That locks the proportions and keeps the shape perfectly even. When you're happy with the size and position, release the mouse button to finish the shape. One of the best things about using shapes in Photopea is that each one appears as its own separate vector layer in the Layers panel. That means you can move it, resize it, change the colors, or edit it later without starting over. It gives you a lot of flexibility, especially if you're making thumbnails, social media graphics, logos, or simple UI elements. If you want to add more shapes, just repeat the same process. Select a different shape from the toolbar, adjust the fill and stroke settings, and draw it onto your canvas. You can build up full designs this way using only basic shape tools. It's fast, simple, and very powerful once you get used to it. So now you know how to add shapes in Photopea the easy way. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.